Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I am the librarian here at the Forestville branch. And what I would like to do today is show your child a craft. We are having quite a time right now with our feelings. Sometimes we are mad. Sometimes we are happy. There are times where we are worried. There are times we are sad, just plain sad, okay? And then there are times where we are scared. What's going to happen next? And there are times where we just feel silly. So my very favorite, of course, is being happy. So I made a craft that looks like this. All you need is a paper plate and construction paper, of course. So I cut out all kinds of little scraps of construction paper for the hair so that they can have this wild hairdo, and construction paper arms that I just fold to make them look a little more 3D, and a nose, eyes, and of course, a smiley face. Thank you very much. Have fun crafting.